I've got the time now DIY, so I thought I'd do it because I can only lay this floor this morning. I'll have an early day, lay this floor, and then I'll come in and do the walls tomorrow. But seeing I've got time, I thought I would bang in some of this timber because the vanity's not sitting on the floor. It's like the other one, which I had studs in the ensuite, but not for here. So seeing I've got the time, I thought, oh well, I'll zap this and then I can screw my heart out with the vanity because it's a wall hung, and I know what went on in my day, so it needs to be strong. Needs to be on the wall strong. Wow! Kick ass! Woo! Like a bloody kid. Now it gives me plenty of support. I can now, once I put the sheet back, the piece back, I can screw into that, screw into my stud, screw into that. That'll hold it forever. Because with a wall hung, you've got to have timber in there. You can't just hang it on the tiles or hang it on the cement sheet. Nah, it's got to go into solid timber. And doing this, we will. Now that vanity won't be going anywhere now, DIYs. I can now put my cement sheet back and we're good to go. That's that little job done. Now I can sweep up my dust and carry on with the floor. Stay tuned, everyone. There's a lot to teach you. This is a must. All right, if your vanity is sitting on the floor, but if you've got a wall hung, you must have timber in there. And then you're home and hose. I hate to think what goes on, you know, when people fit a wall hung vanity and it's all tiled and that sort of thing. What a nightmare, because there's nothing to hold it up. Okay, we'll see ya later.